Sharp this year is celebrating a rather special milestone. I wanted to understand what that is and what does this mean to the company?
Yeah, Sharp has been in the PV business since a long time. And in fact, this year is very special because we are in the photovoltaic business since 50 years. So our first activities in photovoltaic has been done in the late 50s, basically. 59 we did the first research and development on crystalline cells, and in 61 to 63 we did the first introduction of commercial photovoltaic modules and cells to the market. So that's a long history.
And I guess this is a testament to the staying power and the technology and the brand recognition that Sharp has.
Yeah, Sharp is a well-known company, not only for photovoltaics, but also for a wide range of consumer goods and other white goods. We are a global company which has been around for almost 100 years. So in 2012 we will celebrate our 100 years company anniversary. That means half of this time we spent already with photovoltaics, and I think that's a big achievement. And of course our brand plays a major role in our success and also in the success of photovoltaics.
Now, with Europe being an important market for Sharp, where do you see the market in Europe growing for Sharp, and where and why?
So Europe has been the main market worldwide since many years. Yeah? And this means also we from Sharp side are active in the photovoltaic area in Europe since, I think since 15 years. With a lot of partners which have grown together with us. And in Europe itself, except last year you may say so, Germany has been the most dominant market in Europe, and we think also in this year Germany will play a major role. However, also other countries like, for example, Bulgaria or Czech Republic have recently introduced feed-in tariff schemes, and because of their great sunshine reception, they can be good candidates also for photovoltaic products. And besides these East European countries, we also see promising areas in Greece and Turkey, where also feed-in tariff schemes are under preparation.
Would I be correct in thinking that the emphasis is on rooftop and a private rooftop here in Europe for Sharp, and that's one of its successes so far?
Yes, I think especially in Central Europe, rooftop applications play a major role. However, as you can see from the example of Spain in the last year, free field installations are also of interest, especially in sunny areas and especially in those areas where people also have a demand for electricity. And these can be the new countries like Greece and Turkey, where also free field installations may play a major role in the future.
Now, are there plans to expand production in Europe, and could this actually include thin film technologies?
As I said, we are a global company, and one of our intentions is for all product areas to be as close as possible to the markets with our production facilities. This is also true for photovoltaics. So since long we have European production for crystalline modules in Wrexham in the UK, so we are a true European producer of solar modules. The same thing is valid for the US. We have a production facility in Memphis, Tennessee. And also for thin film, we are planning to have a local production site here in Europe. You may have heard about the announcement of Sharp in Enel to open a facility in the south of Italy. This is a big step for Sharp to transfer the current thin film production also to international sites, and the plan is there on the table to start with a production in Italy for thin film.
Now, you're obviously undertaking an aggressive manufacturing expansion plan in Japan. Could you give us an idea where that is right now? When does that start production?
Okay, besides these overseas factories, of course, we are expanding our production capacity in Japan as well. Last year we have expanded our thin film production already with a major step, going from 34 megawatt for thin film up to 160 megawatt for thin film, for micro-amorphous thin film. And as you also may have read in the press, we are planning a new conglomerate in Sakai, which you see here also behind us on the screen. And this is a joint factory for the production of LCD panels and also thin film panels. And it will be opened in 2010. The theoretical production capacity for thin film will be around 1 gigawatt. However, it depends, of course, on the market circumstances, how we want to scale this up. So the initial capacity will not be 1 gigawatt, so it will be smaller. And as I said, it depends on other areas and markets, how they will pick up, how fast we want to expand it.
Now, Sharp is one of the few PV suppliers to truly be able to offer both, crystalline solar modules and thin film. What are the benefits to Sharp in having both types of technology?
We are an electrical company, an electronics company. We live off our technological innovations. Crystalline, as I said, has been around for 50 years. We have a lot of experience with crystalline. And also thin film has been around for more than 30 years. And in fact, thin film technology and LCD panel technology are very much linked together because similar production steps can be observed within the production process. Yeah? So there's a great benefit of us entering also into thin film while we are one of the major LCD panel producers already. And besides thin film and crystalline products, we are also we're actually the only company who have 3 technologies under one umbrella, which is crystalline, thin film, and also light concentration technology, where you have 3-5 semiconductor chips with 5 cells in a stack and with a light concentration lens on top. And this is also under development within Sharp, and we have already first prototypes of this new technology also in Spain running.
Final question for you. What new products are you presenting here at Intersolar?
Yeah. So we had released the first commercial thin film modules with micro-amorphous tandem technology 3 years ago. So this year on this Intersolar show, we are introducing the next generation of micro-amorphous tandem technology. These panels have an output power up to 128 watt and an efficiency of 9%. So this is one of the main technologies for the future which we are introducing here. And besides this, we are introducing also more efficient crystalline modules with a larger output power up to 235 watt per panel.